So today in this video, we are going to talk about a turnaround stock which has corrected significantly, almost 50%. But due to its recent management move, we can see a turnaround in this stock. And if you're new to my channel, this is Sanika, MD and research analyst at Rangavan Finance. And my firm's goal is simple: your growth, our priority. So subscribe to this channel because we have taken a lot of efforts to make things easy for you, and keep watching the entire video. And now let's begin. So for years, if you opened the hood of your car, there were high chances that you would see an Amara Raja battery. Now this company built a massive business selling the traditional lead acid batteries. But the EV revolution did not just knock on their door, it kicked the door down. And the market looked at them and said, lead acid is dead. Lithium ion is the future. And the stock market punished them for it. Over the last 1 year, the stock has corrected 50%. Yes, 50%. A massive time and price correction. But recently, something crazy happened. On April 22nd, 2026, the stock suddenly exploded by 17% in a single day with massive volumes. Why? Because the company just announced a 10,000 crore rupee master plan to fight back. But is this a brilliant turnaround or a desperate gamble? Let's find out today in this video. And yes, today we are going to be talking about Amara Raja batteries. But why does this matter for you as an investor? Because building a gigafactory is not like opening a bakery. It is extremely difficult, capital intensive, and risky as well. In fact, Vikram Gaurineni, their executive director, himself stated something very honest. He said that locally produced cells in India will be initially 15% more expensive than the Chinese exports. Why? Because China spent 20 years in building their supply chain, and India is just starting now. And that brings us to the most brilliant part of the strategy. The real story is not just about electric scooters. Wait, if their cells are going to be more expensive, then how will they ever compete? Isn't this a terrible investment? Everyone on YouTube and Twitter is obsessed with EV two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Every time people hear the word lithium ion, they immediately think about Ola, Ather, or Tata Motors. But Amara Raja looked at the market and made a very smart pivot. Now they have decided to split their massive new factory right down in the middle. 50% for mobility, EVs, and 50% for something called as energy storage solutions, ESS. Let me explain ESS with a simple story. When you put solar panels or windmills, they are not reliable. How much energy is produced depends on the weather conditions. So a simple solution to this is store the energy when it is produced in excess. And this is where BESS comes in. Think about the massive cell phone towers which you see everywhere. For years, these towers ran on old, heavy lead acid batteries. But now the entire telecom industry is upgrading to lithium ion batteries because they last longer and are much more efficient. So this is a silent revolution. The Indian battery energy storage system market is projected to grow 9 times over the next decade, from roughly $2 billion to over $19 billion, and they have already crossed a massive milestone by deploying 1 gigawatt hour of lithium storage across 50,000 telecom sites, and they are planning to do another 1.5 gigawatt hours this year alone. So while everyone else is fighting an intense price war over electric scooters, Amara Raja is quietly making hundreds of crores powering India's telecom networks. And this is what we call de-risking a business. Just look at the company. Even in tough phases, a capable management does not let the business collapse. At worst, the company goes through a consolidation, but it survives. And that is exactly what we focus on at Rangavan Finance. We don't just analyze the numbers, We study the management deeply. And that is why our portfolios have held strong even when the broader market is falling. Because investing is not just about finding 10 good stocks. Anybody can do that. But the real value is after recommending, giving proper updates, when to buy, when to book profits, when to rotate your capital. And most advisors stop at stock recommendations. But we go beyond that. We give you real time market updates, clear action points, and continuous tracking of every stock. So you don't have to worry about anything. And editor, please put the screenshots of Telegram groups over here to highlight the real time market updates and our recommendations as well. And yes, if you want to invest with clarity and not want to miss any important investment decision, then you can join Rangavan Finance and subscribe to our model portfolios, multi-bagger, and Stability X Growth. Coming back to the stock, let's not get carried away. As an investor, you also need to look at the ugly side of the picture. Now, the reality is Amara Raja is in their recent Q3 results, their net profit crashed by a shocking 53% compared to last year. Why? Because the raw materials for their old business are getting expensive and the high margin telecom led business is dying fast. So they are stuck in the messy middle. The old business is fading and the new lithium ion business requires an 8 to 10 gigawatt hour scale just to become truly profitable, a scale they won't reach for years. But despite the crashing profits, the company is practically debt free. They have over 7,700 crores in reserves and generate strong free cash flow. In fact, they themselves are funding this massive 10,000 crore rupees transition from their own pockets and not by taking dangerous amounts of debt. And what about the competition? People are saying that Ola is already making the sales, Reliance is entering the market, and Amara Raja is too late. Let's look at the reality. Years ago, the government awarded 40 gigawatt hours of capacity under the PLI scheme. But do you know how much of that capacity has been actually installed by late 2025? Just 1 gigawatt hour. So the entire industry is struggling to build these factories. And Amara Raja's target of 2027 for bulk production isn't actually late. It is highly realistic while the competitors are still struggling with delays. So, where does that leave us? For that, let's have a look at the valuation. So, right now, Amara is trading at a price to earning or a PE ratio of around 22. So, the market is currently pricing the company like a dying lead acid company and not like a future lithium ion giant. So, that massive valuation gap is your margin of safety. Plus, if the company turns around, we will see a massive jump in the valuation as well. So, what is my stance on this? See, I am bullish, but with a big, massive sign of warning right in front of you. There is one advice for all of you, whether it is Amara Raja or one of my favorite stocks, KPI Green Energy. I follow two simple rules in investing. First is risk management, and second is proper allocation. And that is exactly why our portfolios outperform. Just look at our Stability X Growth model portfolio. See, while the market is down minus 5%, our portfolio is up 2.4%. Now, that is a difference of almost 7%. And why does that happen? Only one reason: proper allocation. So, at Rangavan Finance model portfolios, you don't just get the stock names, you get the exact buy price, the exact weightage, and continuous updates about when to buy, when to add more, when to hold, when to increase the weightage. Complete guidance till the exit. All you have to do is visit rangavan.finance, scroll down on the website till you reach model portfolios, click on add to cart, and subscribe. Within the next 5 seconds, you will get the complete stock list and the proper allocation. Next, you just have to buy these stocks in your demat account. It can be Zerodha, Grow, etc. No overthinking, no constant tracking. We take care of it all. And if you still have any doubts, just contact our team on the WhatsApp number. They will guide you because your growth is our priority. So, what is the final verdict? What should we actually do? So, if you're an investor looking for safe, predictable quarterly earnings, then just close this video and walk away, because Amara Raja is going to face margin pressure and earnings volatility for the next few years, and the massive capex is going to depress their return ratios. So do not invest in the stock expecting a smooth ride. So this is not a short term trade, it is a long term transformation play. And if the management executes the 2027 Gigafactory plan, then the stock could re-rate massively from a traditional battery maker to a new age energy tech company. And I will be tracking all of this closely, especially the next 2 quarters. And based on that, I will decide whether to avoid or to invest. But for now, this stock is on my radar. So, will their 10,000 crore rupees bet pay off, or will the Chinese imports hurt them? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, this was Sanika signing off from Rangavan Finance, where your growth is our priority. And I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.